It sure happened on more than one occasion. It did. It's in the record. It's in the indictment. It's in the prosecution. It's in the sentence. It was more than once. So where was this person who have all the mouth now to lie and deceive, fabricate information, blame the advocate for something that I will never partake in? Months before that, what did Nellie Goldblack did? Nellie Goldblack fabricated information about me because they wanted me to enter house. If there was any merit to what she did, I probably wouldn't even survive this stuff. But this blah blah mouth, when the first stuff came out, what did they say? Go dig for more. Go dig for more. Go dig for more. Go dig and see if you find more. What did they do? They dig and they found more. This time the more was more damaging. The more that took place, go dig for more, brought out so much pain in this world. That's what that more did. Instead of she said, oh my God, you know, this, that. She said, go dig for more. Go see if you could dig for more. Furthermore, go buy my son a PlayStation. Really? Oh my God. My God. Who does that? Who does that? This person alone know what her revelation was when these people, whoever did it, when she told them, go and dig for more. What I think as an advocate, I think that there is similarities to a serial killer. You know, a serial killer always want to be found. They leave evidence around because they want to be found. I think this person was tired of holding this in when she said, go and dig for more. So in the interim of saying, go and dig for more, whoever it is, pull up her records, they went and dig for more. And this is what they found. One of the most painful records that this world needed to hear or to find out. This person never spoke one iota of what they have experienced. I heard them said one time, if I only tell you, one day I'm going to tell you my story. Apparently, this is the story.